Explore space and beyond with the Space Exploration Kit. The resources in this kit will help your students' introduction to planets, stars, moons, galaxies, and spacecraft. The contents of this kit include the Campo del Cielo iron-nickel meteorite, simulates of the Jezero crater, Mars and Moon surface dust, 6-inch globes of Jupiter, Mars, Pluto, the Sun, Proxima Centauri b, and the Milky Way galaxy, various flashcards and posters, pictures and prints. There is a die-cast lunar lander model, Space Shuttle Atlantis die-cast model, and the Pillar Creation crystal model. There's also various books and magazines and lots of other objects to help your students enjoy their exploration of space. Though not specifically part of the Space Exploration Kit, this kit would serve as a great addition for checking out the portable planetarium, which CUES has available as well.